you struggling with frustrating knee pain? If you are, I feel you. I've had knee pain a lot too. So today I'm going to be sharing a short chair yoga sequence just to strengthen the muscles supporting our knees. So numerous studies suggest that if you have knee pain, the best thing that you can be doing for yourself is to strengthen and stretch the muscles supporting your knees. So that includes the quads, the hamstrings, the core muscles, even the feet and the calves. So today we're going to be doing a short yoga sequence that is going to also include some standing poses to strengthen the muscles supporting the knees. So let's get started. All you need is a chair that you can have your feet flat on the floor. So just come to sit kind of on the edge of your chair, the front third of your chair. Have the feet flat on the floor, knees right over the ankles. We're going to sit up nice and tall, and we're going to start with a short warm-up. So you're going to bring your hands down by your side, press the feet into the floor. Inhale, reaching the arms up. And as you exhale, bring them back down. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, bring the hands back down. One more. Inhale, reach, stretch the arms up. Exhale, down. Good. Let's take the arms up again, reach the arms up. And now we're just going to bring our left hand to hold onto the chair. Reach the right arm up, inhale. And do a little side bend over to your left. Don't worry about how far you're going. Just moving to the left. Inhale, back up to center. Exhale, do a little side bend to your right. Inhale, back up to center. And again, let's move left. Inhale, center. One last time. Exhale, move right. Inhale, center. Exhale, bring the arms down. Beautiful. Let's add on to that now. Inhale, the arms up. Exhale, we're going to do a little twist to the left. So just bring one hand behind you, the other hand onto your thigh, twisting left. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, twisting right. Inhale, back to center. Twisting left. Inhale, center. Twisting right. Inhale, center. And bring the arms down. Good. Okay, so we're going to move on to our legs. I'm just going to turn around so you can see what my legs are doing. So again, you want to be sitting on the edge of the chair, the feet flat on the floor, knees right over the ankles. And you're going to hold on to the chair if you can. Pull the belly in to strengthen the core muscles, and we're going to start with leg extension. So we're going to do 8 on the left leg, 8 on the right leg. So we're just sitting up tall. Don't worry about how high you can lift your foot off the floor. We just want to keep moving. So here we go. Just stretch out the left leg, bring it back in. Stretch it out any height, bring it back in. Stretch it out. You're working the quad, bring it back in. This is 4, so engaging the thigh muscles. 5, bring it back in. 6, and in. 7, bring it in. 8, and bring it in. Good. Moving on to the right side. So again, sit up nice and tall. Press the feet down into the floor. We're going to work the right leg. So you're pressing the left foot down. Bring the right foot up and down. Straighten the knee and down. Again, it can be low, it can be down here, or it can be up here. That's 4, 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Let's shake it out. Let's shake out everything. Shake out the arms, the legs. Just wiggle everything around. All right, so moving on. Come back to that position. So we have the feet on the floor, pulling in the belly, long spine. We're going to stretch the left leg out now. So the leg is straight, heel on the floor, toe pointing up. So all we're doing is lifting and lowering the left foot. Let's aim for 8, but again, just do your best, whatever you can manage. Engaging and strengthening our quad. So we're lifting and lowering. lift, and lower. Any amount. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. Bring the leg in, changing sides, moving on to the right leg. Stretch it out. Here we go again. Lift and lower, lift and lower. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. This is 7. This is 8. Good. Bring the leg in, shake it out. All right, so now we're gonna get up and just stand behind our chairs. We're gonna do 2 of my really favorite exercises for strengthening the feet and the legs, but really strengthening the whole body. So you're gonna have the chair in front of you, and you can hold on to it. Bring the feet to parallel, about hip width apart. This is mountain pose, holding on to the chair, and all we're doing is lifting the heels off the floor. So we're pressing into the balls of the feet, coming up and down. So let's go up and down. Let's aim for 10. This is 3. Just go at your own pace. Don't have to follow me. This is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 more, 9, and 10. Beautiful. All right, staying right here, we're gonna strengthen the hamstrings, the glutes, also really important for the knees. So all we're gonna do is start by bringing the left foot back behind us. We're just lifting and lowering the leg using these muscles back here. So let's aim for 8. So you can tip forward a little bit so the weight is on your right foot. And we're just lifting and lowering, lifting and lowering. This is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring that foot in, changing sides. So stepping the right foot back, keeping the belly in, nice long spine. Same thing. Lift and lower, any amount, even if it hardly comes off the floor. This is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. Bring the feet together. Let's shake it out. Shake, shake, shake. And we're gonna come to sitting again. We're gonna finish off with 1 stretch for our hips, because a lot of times when our hips are tight, it can also affect our knees. So we're gonna do one of my favorite hip stretches called seated pigeon. Super simple. You're just gonna bring your ankle on top of your knee. And for a lot of people, this is plenty. I already feel something going on in my hip. If you do, you're just gonna stay here. Don't worry if your knee's all the way up here. We're just gonna stay here for 5 breaths. So let's inhale, exhale 1, inhale, exhale 2, inhale, exhale 3, 2 more, 1 more breath. Good, and then bringing the foot down. Same thing with the other foot, just bring the ankle to rest on top of the knee. And if you're not feeling much here, you can always sit up tall and bring your chest a little closer to your calf or your shin. You will feel a little bit more intense stretch going on back here. So again, staying here for 5 breaths. You can always close the eyes. Really tune into how you're feeling. So this is 2 breaths, 3 breaths, 4, and 5. Beautiful. Bringing the feet back together. Let's sit up nice and tall. Bring the hands down. Reach the arms down, around and up. Let's bring the hands together. Exhale down in front of the heart. just thanking yourself for taking care of yourself today. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like and follow and subscribe and share with anybody who you think might need it. Again, any questions, please feel free to ask and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks a lot and hope to see you again.